I just want to thank everybody, last spring all the way to this point, everything that goes into this huge process. You guys started out in the spring, going through the whole fall. Everybody's input, it means a ton. We've been through, we've gone through a lot. Have fun with this. We're going to have players disappear here that's going to hurt, right? It's going to be fun, and we know they're going to go away, and it sucks because we spent so much time studying these guys, and we've come to love them all and everything. So, let's have a great weekend. Communicate effectively, love on each other, and let's have fun. All right? So let's go. God bless.
To many, the draft signals a new dawn of football. Hope for the year ahead springs eternal. And new faces come home.
Can you turn it up?
The people inside this room have been preparing for this moment long before now.
Yeah, correct.
All right, buddy. We'll get over it. I'm glad I reworked black. How many is this one now? This is our 15th together. Dave? Gentlemen? Amani? I owe you 6. Thank you. Come on, give me some dap. All right. Have fun. Congratulations, you guys. All right. Bye. It does look like a trade, doesn't it? Houston's on the clock. She said it's Will.
But no matter how much they prepare, the draft is always unpredictable.
Are we waiting for them to talk about us, Dave?
I'm like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
3 minutes.
Maddie, there you are. All of it.
Oh, man.
I caught.
You were the camera was.
Oh,
Got a minute and a half.
Hello?
Hey, Devon, it's John Schneider with the Seattle Seahawks, buddy. How you doing?
Doing good, sir.
Good, man. Hey, we had a great visit with you, so we want you to get your ass back out here to Seattle, okay?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna select you right here, man. Get jacked up, all right? Let's hear it for Devon.
Yes, sir.
In the 2023 NFL Draft, the Seattle Seahawks select Devon Witherspoon, quarterback, Illinois.
Ooh.
I absolutely love this football player, and I love this fit there in Seattle. I didn't think there was a snowball chance they would do it.
In the length of a phone call, Devon Witherspoon's life has changed forever.
I mean, to be honest, I was really just happy and excited that they called my phone. You know, we just had to talk, and they told me they were gonna select me at the Pit 5. So I mean, it was just really exciting for me. I mean, nothing else for real. Yeah, good. Very good word.
Devon, I'm going to put you on. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put you on with the Seahawks media on a phone call. And I'm going to put you on with a guy that you're going to be working with a lot in Seattle. His name is Jeff Garza. He is in Seattle. He's just going to kind of give you a little bit of a rundown on what you're going to go through here.
All right. Definitely. I can't wait to be there. Alright, dreams come true. It's dope, man. This is a dope experience. Thank you. Thank you.
No, you guys are gonna go in.
I do that?
No, just go straight in.
Go straight in.
Yep.
Good luck, friend.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Certainly, you know the history of defense, particularly corners and DBs in this system. Why do you believe you're a good fit here in Seattle?
Just because they chose me, you know, the culture that they had there, the Legion of Boom, man, the history there, just, I know what it takes to be great like that, and just, it's so much going on right now, I can't even really describe it, but I'm just glad that he chose me. I'm just glad I'm be a Seattle Seahawks. Oh, that's dope for sure. That's Wi-Fi, bro. No cap. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get that, man.
As Devon celebrates, back in Seattle, the work has just begun. Players are picked off the board and decisions need to be made quickly.
Go ahead, Wheeler. Oh, this is cool.
Tacoma. Devon.
With the 20th pick in the 2023 NFL Draft, the Seattle Seahawks select Jaxon and Jigba.
Okay,
That's live. For sure.
A couple of Januaries ago, he's playing for a head coach who knows all about it. We're playing a game in that building. Ryan Day, the Ohio State head coach.
Jaxon, Smith-Njigba, wide receiver, Seattle Seahawks.
Are you still getting used to that? Do you still want to say Ohio State just a little bit?
Yeah, like these are kind of like the first time I'm saying it. I'm excited to meet the whole team and get active with them boys. I know they already got a talented group,
Stop right there.
a talented team, so anytime I can come in and do it, let's go. Congrats, brother. Congrats, let's go do it. My dog.
Jaxon gets a quick taste of life in the NFL with media booths, cameras, and personalities waiting for him right off stage.
Ooh, I might jump over that, man, for real.
For real? Nobody has said that all day, bro. It's tough to get a hurdle in Madden. That's kind of rare, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Most definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
But when it happens, yeah, you've gotten hurt before.
Yeah.
It's rare, but when it happens, it's lit.
A couple times.
Yeah.
He's definitely the one to get that with in Madden.
You know, was stressing, was sweating a little bit when I was in there. You know what I'm saying? But got the call. You know, Coach Pete Carroll called me, and couldn't be more happy. Like you said, I love competing. I love going in the receiver room and competing, next to great guys. That only, makes me so much better. So looking forward to it for sure. I love competing. It only pushes my game to another level, being surrounded by, great players in my position. So definitely looking forward to helping the team, and bring the things that I do. So. All right, we're gonna put some on. Come on now. Thanks, bro.
Congrats.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, man.
That's tough.
We'll make sure you get those too.
Yes, sir. Thank y'all. Have a good one.
Between the draft whirlwind and an early flight, Jaxon and Devon's trip to Seattle must feel like a dream.
get to drive the boat. I want to be nowhere else, man.
Congratulations. Appreciate it.
Right, man. Good to go?
Yes, sir.
Good deal.
Yeah, spoon.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good, bro. Jax.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. For sure.
Welcome back.
Hey.
Welcome, baby.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Jaxon.
Congratulations,
yes, sir.
Appreciate you, cool.
First time here.
Thanks so much.
That's so fun.
Yeah.
Did you guys get any rest?
How we doing?
Not really. Not really.
Good to see you, bud. Good to see you too. You guys got picked up at 3? 3, man. Come on.
Early.
No sleep. Playing. Yes, sir.
He came. Yeah, you know that.
What do you think, man? We'll catch up. I told
Boy.
what's up, man?
What up, man?
Awesome.
Jack, good to meet you.
I'm gonna watch what I say now. But nice to meet you. We'll
Nice to
catch up
meet
with
you.
you guys coming back.
Sure.
They did. We did one jerseys because we weren't sure about what we're gonna do with him. You're good. And I already submitted that, so they're gonna assume I haven't stayed during the press. They're gonna do the.
Let's look back at this day about 20 years from now.
So the ones don't have
Let's see what they tonight. If you guys, they're gonna
That's the one you said they gave you. Didn't have a
I'll let you, man. Sure.
Hey, your boy, well, first of all, your equipment guys, obviously we know them real well. Jake, I've hung out with a couple times back east, and then obviously with you, Kevin worked here. Kevin used to work for me.
Kevin used to work for you?
Yeah.
Wow.
For about 3 or 4 years, right? Oh, it was about 3 or 4 years Kevin worked here? So they both said say congrats, guys. I'm sure you guys at some point in time. They'll use these for the photo, then you guys will take them over.
How it feel, Jax?
Feels amazing. Feels great. I'm honored to play here.
Now we have a better idea. And like,
Devon, Jaxon, welcome to Seattle. Upstairs, the work continues to fulfill the year-long quest of a strong 2023 draft class.
You know, the scouting world, in college scouting, when you're driving from school to school in the evening after practices, grabbing a sandwich somewhere, staying up late, typing reports, getting up early in the morning, moving on to the next school, to a Thursday night game or to a Saturday game to see your team play live. They're totally with us, but they really conduct themselves like private contractors, and we just let them go and grind it out all the way through the fall.
Jay Reed.
What's up?
Hey, it's Flo. We're gonna make you a Seahawk right here. You excited?
Oh, for real? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. You're gonna come here, get to work, kick some ass, all right? All right, here's John.
Jay Reed, congratulations, buddy.
They start their process of doing the juniors right after the draft, a couple weeks after the draft, and so using all their resources and going through the summer and then the fall, all the fall scouting, and it's really a grind for those guys traveling all over, being away from their families.
Well, they're here for us, I guess.
At the Combine, the Seahawks received an award for the top NFL draft class of 2022 from peers.
I need everybody to shift about 6 inches to the left.
You want to hold it?
You're a talk sucker. Yeah, man. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Ready? It's a handsome crew, dude.
you know, having all that come together throughout the draft process, all the work that they put in, it was really a great thing for everybody, and I was just super proud of all the guys. And yeah, so it was really fun to, you know, get that award this last year, and you know, hopefully we can do the same thing this year.
I love our people so much, and they work their asses off all throughout the year, and they know their voice is heard. Thank you so much, and on behalf of like all of our people again are like hanging out in the back, like all humble and shit. It's cool. Yeah, we love you guys, so thank you.
Yeah, we really have spent a lot of years doing this. It's always been based on communication and respect. John's an incredible general manager, and he has such wisdom and instinct and really great anticipation for what's happening through the process, and he figures it out. And so I have ultimate respect and trust in him. And I think that's where it comes from, our ability to stay together and stay connected and stay fresh, you know, with it. You know, I think the mutual respect that we share, and that without that, it would be kind of funky, you know.
And here, coaches get to know the prospects personally.
We have a lot of background now, we have a lot of experiences, and we know our people really well, which is hugely valuable, because we got to rely on their strengths as well and put it all together, and John does a magnificent job of doing all that. So I follow his lead throughout most of the process, and then, you know, we both have, you know, a big input on what's going on, but I feed off of him a great deal.
What's going on? Cool shirt, nice to meet you, man. Okay, see you, man. What's up, Cap? How you doing? What's the best play in football?
Anything I get to whoop the sin I ask.
Oh my God. Jaxon caused fumble.
Oh, you saying the best? Okay,
best
I got you.
Play in football.
I got you. Oh yeah, most definitely. Most definitely.
Yeah, I guess. I tried to say it slower for my man, but it's okay. As long as he was kicking somebody's ass, he's in a good place.
Me and Coach Hurt been going back and forth since I met him. You know, as soon as he met me, you know, he kind of like tried to jump down my throat, so I kind of pushed back against it, and we just been going back and forth since then. Have a good night.
Ever since we've been here in 2010, you know, putting the staff together, we've always really preached that, you know, we don't have all the answers to the test. We don't conduct ourselves like we have all the answers, that we invented football, you know, we invented the game, and that we're just on a constant quest for knowledge and trying to figure out, you know, the best fits for our team and you know, for Coach Carroll and his staff, and how we can be a championship team.
UCLA's finest.
How you doing? Yes, sir. Good to meet you. Yes, sir. Good to meet you. How you doing, Chad Moore? Good to meet you. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Thank you. Good to meet you.
Well, tell us a little story now. How did you get to where you went to UCLA? How did that all happen? And there's a story behind that. Start with the background, family, all that.
We have this process of, you know, building a team, and these guys, the team is the personalities in collective, you know, and so it's really important that we know who we're dealing with, and so those are the best times, they're the most fun, and I like all the interaction, and you know, it's the players that make it fun, so that's my favorite part.
And just like that, a swell of new faces breathe energy into the building.
Coming here, I felt the same way like I felt going to Georgia. The coaching staff, I can just tell how dedicated they are. They want the players to be the best players they can be on and off the field. And that's how it is at Georgia. They go deeper than football.
Thank you. All right, boss. Take it easy, man. Yep.
being able to, reach the NFL, get drafted, those are definitely childhood dreams. But now that I kind of check those dreams off, I know I still have more goals and ambitions. So it's exciting, but it's kind of head down, and you got to continue working.
No, I got it. For 4 or 5 days, it's kind of been a blur so far. Things have been moving fast, but it's been fun.
I want the fans to know, like, they got a dedicated hard worker on the team and somebody that's gonna, compete no matter what. And I just want them to know that they got a player that's gonna, put on the show for them whenever he get the opportunity to. So I want to be connected with the fans more. So definitely, I want them to know my name.
Where my dog at? Where my hard body dog at? Yeah!
The next few months will be filled with a bunch of firsts for this class. But one thing they share with those who came before them, the will to win.
I just go out there and play football. Like, that's all it is to it. Like, I just try to be the best person I can be on the field. I mean, really goals-wise, I never had anything set. But we just trying to go out there and win, though. So, that's all.
Welcome back. It's good to be on the field playing some football here. This is the best chance to really start to figure who they are and what they're all about.